Please respond. Good morning to everybody. My voice is audible. Good morning to everybody. My voice is audible. My voice is audible. Please respond. My voice is audible. Good morning to everybody. Now my voice is audible and now it is audible. Now it is audible and
Audible, sir. Little audible.
So now it is audible, sir.
okay, thank you. Good morning to everybody. Today we are starting the subject innovation and knowledge management. And relating to the subject, the 5 units contents are as follows. First unit, that is block 1. In that one, innovation management and introduction, basics of innovation, introduction to innovation management, and innovation strategies and promoting innovation. Means in this block, we are going to discuss the basic concepts relating to what is innovation and what are the different strategies to make that innovation to be a good result one, and how to promote innovations in day-to-day scenario. Coming to block 2, innovation management in production, manufacturing and service sector. Particularly, we'll be having 2 types of sectors. One is production and manufacturing, both are same, and the next one is services. In these 2 sectors, how this innovation management is processed and how it is making results to the mankind in day-to-day real-time scenario. Relating to that, first content is developing new products and services. For particularly this relates to pharmaceutical sector. Means new drug discovery, drug designing, these all will be relating to manufacturing sector, production sector in pharmaceutical industry. And next one is process innovations and innovation diffusion. These are the contents in block 2. Coming to block 3, knowledge management and introduction. And to be frank and honest, everybody knows morally, ethically, philosophically, knowledge is power. Relating to that, how to manage that knowledge in very systemized way, in very sequential way, in very hierarchical way, in very streamlined way, and in very correct way for making proper decision making in day-to-day real-time scenario to solve real-world problems with the help of knowledge management in the current scenario. That is relating to knowledge management and introduction. Knowledge management basics, knowledge management cycle and models, strategic dimensions of knowledge management that we are having in the block 3. Coming to block 4, knowledge management system and architecture. Every content will have its own architecture, its own flow chart, and its own hierarchical way of implementation. Similarly, our subject content, knowledge management will have its specified architecture, and relating to that, we are going to discuss with respect to knowledge management system life cycle. For example, if you take IT industry, in product development in software industry for a particular project work, we'll be having SDLC, software development life cycle. Similarly, here also relating to knowledge management, we are having the process knowledge management system life cycle in sequential manner. Next topic is knowledge creation, capture, and codification. And next content is knowledge management system development. Next content is knowledge management testing and deployment. These are all the concept contents in block 4. Coming to final block, that is knowledge management practices. And we know philosophically, morally, ethically, practice makes man perfect. If you are able to implement correct knowledge management in decision making, in day-to-day solving of real-world problems, will getting fruitful results in encouraging environment for the mankind in all the domains, A to Z domains in the business environment, both manufacturing and services sector. And relating to that, contents in block 5 are knowledge workers and learning organization, knowledge audit, and knowledge management metrics and knowledge transfer. What this knowledge management metrics means, for example, if you take same IT industry, I'm taking Indian-based MNC Wipro company, they'll be 100% following the quality control measure, means the process of Six Sigma using DMAIC method in all their product development in their software industry from the inception to till today using this knowledge management metrics. Like that, so many MNC companies in IT industry, both local companies and global companies, foreign-based companies are using this knowledge management metrics. And one more thing, related to this knowledge management metrics, particularly in HR domain, HR department in MNC companies, they will be taking care of these HR analytics, the very emerging technology relating to data science. In that one, this HR analytics is emerging area. Using that HR analytics, the performance of employees and the background check of employees, day-to-day behavior of the employees in that particular company is evaluated, measured by using this knowledge management metrics. Means particularly this data science, data analytics, predictive analytics are directly implemented as a part of knowledge management metrics. Next topic is knowledge transfer. It is very important, morally, ethically, spiritually, philosophically, mythologically, locally, globally, environmentally, technologically, in all aspects. Why? Because the sharing of knowledge, transfer of knowledge will enrich the wisdom. Why? Because if anybody knows some good concept or good subject or good moral, if they are able to share or if they are able to transfer to their known members, both the person who transferred and the person who got that information or knowledge will be get benefited, and automatically that impacts in the good result and fruitful environment in the society, both in local perspective and global perspective. These are all the 5 blocks in our syllabus relating to our subject. And starting to this, we are starting with innovation management and introduction. Why this innovation is required mandatory, particularly in some of the areas in the business domain, like IT industry, pharmaceutical industry, fintech industry, aviation industry, like this, some core industries will be there. Why this innovation management is mandatorily required, and what are the upgradations are required time to time and year on year passing. For example, we take IT industry. 20 years back, there is a COBOL programming, Pascal programming. After that, C programming got reputation. Then C++ programming. Then C sharp programming. Then Java programming. Then now Python programming. After that, we are having next generation programming languages like Go programming, CMAC language, Logic language. Particularly this Go programming, CMOS, Logic programming languages are used in semiconductor manufacturing industry. The chips we are using in our laptops, desktops, and our mobile phones, in that semiconductor manufacturing industry, these programming languages, which are known as next generation programming languages, are coming into significance or importance. Like that, day by day, technology is upgrading and new versions are coming. And not only that, the requirement of the consumer or the customer or the person who is addicted to that particular technology is making new innovations to make the life simpler process. Not only that, to have reputation with respect to money, name, and fame in the global perspective. For example, if you take Microsoft company, Satya Nadella, who is current CEO of that company, he worked for around 8 years on the technology cloud computing. He developed the software product Azure. Relating to that, he got the reputation in global perspective in the cloud computing technology. And after Bill Gates, he got the opportunity to become CEO of that Microsoft Corporation. Like that, Google Analytics related to Google company, which is Sundar Pichai. Whatever it may be company, emerging technologies like cloud computing, supercomputing, quantum computing, super cloud computing, algorithmic trading, high performance computing, DevOps, digital marketing, data analytics, data science, and blockchain technology, embedded systems, digital signal processing. Like this, these are all the emerging new generation technologies in IT industry. Same if you come to pharmaceutical industry, new drug discovery and drug design. Particularly, everybody says in corona pandemic environment, everybody got impacted up to 1 year to got that relating to vaccine, Covishield or Covaxin. Up to that, everybody impacted, affected with that pandemic environment in COVID environment. After getting the vaccination, it came to control to maximum level. Means how that vaccine should be made with respect to the intellectual people or the experts who are in that pharmaceutical industry gave the contribution with 1 year time and prepared that particular vaccine. For that one, we require innovation management, new innovation related policies, new innovation related knowledge, from time to time, upgradation of skills. These are all required, and how to manage those related activities in day-to-day environment in local perspective and global perspective. We are going to discuss in this block, innovation management. Innovation is the key to the success of companies and progress of civilization. In the world of competition, innovation offers competitive edge and sustainable growth. Companies that are too slow in responding to innovation are those that disregard creativity of employees will perish in a short time. What this means, for example, if you take same Airtel company and Jio company. Up to the Jio coming into market ruled by Airtel and Idea. But when this Jio entered into the market, they attracted all customers by giving some offers for 3 months, 4 months free internet like that, and they stood first rank in the telecom industry currently in India. What that made means new innovative ideas, marketing strategies implemented successfully. They defeated existing companies, Airtel and Idea, and they got the first rank in relating to telecom industry. Not only that, within few months, everybody is shifting from 4G spectrum, 4G technology to 5G technology. Already 5G technology is implementing in India. With respect to that upgradation of technology with respect to 5G, the bandwidth speed is increased and we are getting so many apps in 5G technology. Not only that, in 5G technology, sitting in home, we can pay our fee in the bank. We can pay our bill, electricity bill, and we can speak the person who is in the foreign country, foreigner country, like South Africa, any African country, effectively. And sitting in home, we can lock our bank related locker. Like that, so many facilities are available with respect to the 5G spectrum. Means virtual reality. Sitting in home, we can shop in mall. And that virtual reality, augmented reality technology, these are all came with only the concept of innovation. And if that is properly managed using some particular procedures and skills and some decision making correctly, everybody can solve day-to-day real-time problems effectively, and the process will go very smoothly, effectively in the real-time scenario in day-to-day world. And relating to that, first unit, basics of innovation. Next one is introduction to innovation management, innovation strategies, and promoting innovation. These are all we are going to discuss. In the first unit, basics of innovation. What we are going to discuss? Concept of innovation, innovation versus creativity, innovation versus invention, importance of innovation, levels of innovation, types of innovation, sources of innovation, components of innovation, and innovations of 21st century, innovation environment in India. These are all we are going to discuss in detail, in depth, both with manufacturing sector companies and services sector companies. For example, in the current scenario using satellite technology, we are going to know the information within fraction of seconds in 1 by 10 to the power of 9th part of a second, in 1 by 10 to the power of 9th part of a second, we are going to get that data from moon, from Mars, like that. How that is all happening means only with the innovation. Means in that advanced technology, in that advanced era, we are failing. That is the only possibility with the innovation management in current scenario. Concept of innovation. Innovation is visioning the possibility of something that does not exist and making it real. Doing something to meet people's needs, something which has never been done before, which will make people say, wow. Means new ideas, new existing to reality, some new thing that is possible only with innovation and innovative ideas in real-time scenario. Innovation is an idea, practice or object that is pursued and new by an individual or other unit of adoption. We will take one practical case study. Everybody sees television. In that one advertisement comes relating to Lalita Jewelers. That Kiran Kumar, that proprietor or that promoter of that Lalita Jewelers says, a small idea changes the life. Means a small entrepreneur in that jewelry business now became expansion of so many offices of that Lalita Jewelers and became Karodpati with small investment. Like that, we can take a number of examples, real-time case studies in this business domain in our day-to-day life environment. This all what happened means only with that small idea, that innovative idea. To take in Mumbai, the Mumbai Dabbawalas, who will serve the tiffins throughout the offices and schools. that came a small idea and that got ISO 9000 of certification, and so many presidents of foreign countries, presidents of France and Prime Minister of Britain, like that President of America, all came and visited that Dabbawala's business and gave certification. Not only that, that got Guinness Book of Records. Means a small idea made with the global reputation, name and fame. Not only that, they giving some revenue to the persons who are educated below fifth standard but got reputation in global perspective. Like that, in day-to-day environment, we will be coming it now. In match bask, they will be packaging one saree, particularly this who are in the textile sector, they are doing that. With small matchbox, they are making some artistic peripheral and giving to some political party leader whenever some meeting is happening. Like that, so many on one rice small bit, they will be having some artistic skills of some ideal or some toy like that they are making. Like that, these are all with the small ideas with innovative environment only. And in America, we are having in Chicago, Illinois State, driverless cars. All that is what with the implementation of this artificial intelligence, this analytics, this, integration, we are having driverless cars and signal-free traffic system. Like that, all are only with the implementation of this innovative ideas in the day-to-day environment. For example, in olden days, to communicate from one place to another place, they use it to go by walk. It will take 2 months, 3 months like that. After that, they use the help of horses. Then they use it to write the letters. It also took 10 days, 15 days like that. Then some mechanism came, telegram. And now in India, there are no telegram offices. That also will take few hours. Then came landline telephone system. Then came in olden days, just 20 years back, 30 years back, to get one landline telephone connection, we should have the recommendation of a member of parliament. Like that, the system will be there. Then came pagers. With member system, we can able to communicate. Then came mobile phones, that Nokia mobile phones, that bulk mobile phones. Then came Android mobile phones. Then came BlackBerry. Now satellite mobile phones, satellite phones, iPads. Now within the fraction of seconds, means in 1 by 10 to the power of second, we can transform the data from Hyderabad to a corner place in African continent. Like that, we are updating all this only with the possibility of implementation of innovation and innovative ideas in that particular communication system. Now we can communicate to other planets, Mars, Moon, through satellite technology within fraction of seconds. All with what happening means only with the implementation of this innovation and innovative ideas in day-to-day environment. Now, conceptual dimension, thinking or visioning new and generating new idea, practice or object. Physical dimension, creating a new product or device, element, process and method that has value in use and in the market. Means what is the difference between innovation and creativity? What is creativity? Creativity is the characteristic or ability of a person to generate new ideas, alternatives, solutions, and possibilities in a unique and different way. For example, there are so many types of trains, passenger train, superfast train. In the just a few months back, Indian government introduced Vande Bharat trains. Means it will be more upgraded to superfast trains. Not only that, within 2-3 years, we are getting one more type of trains, bullet trains. Already Japan implementing, and in India also within 2-3 years, we are getting those bullet trains. Means it is 10 times faster than superfast trains. Like that, they're all with respect to alternatives to existing things with the implementation of new ideas. That concept is known as creativity. With some creation, they are upgrading the existing ones and making some alternatives to the existing ones. And like this, we are implementing in our day-to-day environment. Means it is a mirror of how beautifully a person can think in any given circumstance. It is a brainstorming brainstorming and mind-blogging activity in which a person has to think beyond his imagination from bringing something worthwhile. It is an activity of unveiling something which was previously hidden. Means some upgradation, some new addition, value addition to the existing one, and that is only with the possibility of creation. Means new idea implementation. Creativity as such involves the following. It is an imagining or brainstorming activity. It involves thinking beyond. It results in generation of new ideas. That only just how we discuss. Therefore, innovation is equal to creativity with addition of implementation of ideas. That is equal to thinking of new ideas plus operations for developing and offering the products and the services. Means that can be implemented in both manufacturing sector, that is production sector, as well as the services sector. One more example we can take, nano car. Means a very affordable car. That is the brainchild, new idea of Ratan Tata. Means he thought when he's traveling on a road in Mumbai, one family is waiting on the bus stand. They're unable to spend that car charges which can be taken for hire or that environment. They cannot go by auto also. They're waiting for bus. At that point of time, Ratan Tata is traveling in car in that road and thought, why can't we from our Tata group manufacture a car which can be affordable by middle class, below middle class and poor people? And immediately he called the engineers and executives in both production and mechanical engineering department in Tata Industries and held a meeting and gave orders. Within 1 year, from our Tata group, from Tata Motors and Tata Motors BVR, we have to prepare a car, manufacture a car which can be affordable by a poor man, middleman, and below middle class person. And that came into reality. Now, though it is not got that much familiarity, but it made into real-time scenario in the implementation form. Means that is a small idea when the Ratan Tata got when he's traveling on the road, it came into reality only with the creation or having the new idea implementation. Like that, we can take a number of examples. Innovation and invention. What is this invention? An invention uses technology to solve a specific problem. An invention is a unique or novel device, method, composition, or process. It is a result of continuous experimentation with a new idea by scientists and engineers in research and development laboratories. A novel and industrially applicable inventions are patented. Patents provide the exclusive rights which allow inventor to use and exploit the invention for a certain period. For example, whatever the invention, that aeroplane by Wright brothers or telephone or our using this bulb, whatever it may be, they will be submitting the patent. Means nobody can steal or exploit that invention for some generations. And that in submitting of patents in global perspective is known as WIPO, WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, that is there in Geneva. And coming to India, that is known as NIPO, NIPO, National Intellectual Property Organization. Means anybody, any scientist or any research and development person who is working in the laboratory, make some new inventions, they will filing a patent and they'll be having the rights on that particular inventions for some particular generations of a time period. And that is the thing relating to invention. And therefore, innovation is equal to invention plus commercialization. For example, in any market, for example, if you take FMCG sector, two toothpastes are there. One is Pepsodent, one is Colgate. Till today in FMCG sector, in toothpaste products, Colgate stands 70% of market capitalization. Why that is happening? Every time they're having new ideas in packaging and making some discount and making some extra amount of toothpaste amount like that, they're having these innovative ideas in marketing and market strategies. Not only that, new product development also. For different sector people, they're giving different types of toothpaste. Those who are having some problem with teeth, medicinal related toothpaste. And for children, one some chocolate or sweet based type of toothpaste, some common man, general toothpaste. Like that, different marketing strategies are implemented in product development, realizing that till today they are having that 70% of the market capitalization in the business domain. Like that, this innovation is equal to invention plus commercialization in day-to-day environment. Next one is importance of innovation. What is this innovation significance in day-to-day environment? It accelerates the economic growth. Means if minimizing the cost, maximizing the profit, naturally the direct impact on economic growth of any nation. And with this innovations, the contributions made by scientists in the national level will be getting reputation in the global level. Not only that, will be getting some foreign exchange also to our home country, and that is making value addition to the economic growth in the real-time scenario. Improves the quality of life. To be frank and honest, in olden days, when these bulbs are not there, electricity is not there, they are very tough to lead the life in agriculture or in day-to-day domestic environment. Today, when we are getting 24 hours of power and new peripherals relating to that electricity products, our day-to-day life process become very simpler and the quality of life also increases. In 3 shifts, so many service organizations, manufacturing companies are working, they are getting revenues and we are able to make that product manufacturing or giving services in several business domains made more expanded, and that is giving value addition to economic growth in any nation, and that is practically implementing in India. Next advantage is promote environment sustainability. For example, if you take in Delhi, they are implementing this innovative idea, what that odd number and even number based traffic vehicles implementation on the road that directly control the pollution in Delhi streets. Means that innovative idea made to control the pollution relating to environment sustainability. Like this, we are getting advantages with these innovative ideas and invention and innovation in day-to-day environment. Next one is ensures survival. For example, there are two countries, one is enemy country with another, Pakistan and India. The persons in army, navy and soldiers who are on the border, they are able to implement the sophisticated, newly peripherals or machines to protect Indian border, and that is making some survival and security to the persons who are living in those surrounding areas, particularly in Jammu and Kashmir. Means all that is possible with only the implementation of new machines, new peripherals, new advantage implementation of the technology in coding and signaling of the communication of data, every area, particularly in the defense sector, that makes security and survival of the citizens who are living in those border areas, particularly Jammu and Kashmir. Only this implementation of new ideas, innovations in defense sector. Next one is enhances competitive advantage. For example, if you take IT industry only, the person who is having similarity in cloud computing, Azure and Amazon Web Services, immediately they are getting opportunity in America, foreign countries. Not only that, the new technology came in that Microsoft major development center in Richmond. Immediately within one day, it is reaching in Hyderabad Gachibowli center. Means that competitive advantage, the scientists or the IT experts, professionals who are working in Richmond in America, who are working in Gachibowli, they are having that competitive edge advantage and working in that competitive environment and making their skills, knowledge, intellectual ideas, property with that competitive environment and making contribution to the society. Next one is generate super profit. Same scenario. If you take Microsoft industry, 90% of global customers are still using the Microsoft operating system only in their laptops and desktops. No other they are using. So many operating systems are there. Unix, Linux, RTOS, Symbian, like that. So many operating systems are there, but they are not using. Only Microsoft operating system they are using. Whatever it may be the version, XP Professional, 9, 10, whatever it may be, Windows 20, whatever it may be, but they are using only products from Microsoft Corporation. Means that is generating more revenues to the Microsoft Corporation, and up to 2 years that Bill Gates should the richest person in the world. Why that happened means 90% of our customers are using the Microsoft operating system only, and with that they got that much of money. Like that. Next one, in stock market trading and commodity market trading and currency market trading, implementation of this algorithmic trading using this data analytics, data science related algorithms, machine learning algorithms, and deep learning algorithms in 1/10 to the power of 9th part of a second. The order is executed, and with that investment, there become millionaires in that particular fraction of time. Only with the implementation of that algorithmic trading, which came with that particular invention or new idea by using of these machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms. Means that also made generation of millions of dollars, and a person who born in middle class like Warren Buffett became one of the richest person in the world. Only implementation of the new idea of that algorithmic trading in currency market, commodity market, and stock market trading, in particularly by foreign institutional investors and major investment banks and investment companies in Wall Street in New York. Like that, it is having the impact in the mankind in day-to-day environment. Next, creates premium on shares. That's only we discussed up to now. In stock market, share market. In India also, that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala recently expired. He born in very below middle class family, but became one of the richest person in the India only with the implementation of this algorithmic trading in stock market, commodity market, and currency market in Mumbai, Dalal Street. Like that, we will be having the results implementation of these new ideas in inventions and innovation. And what are the different levels of innovation? Relating to levels of innovation, first one is level 1, new features on existing products, and what it results in the business promotion, low investment, low risk, and low payoff. For example, if you take waste management system, means the garbage will be recycled and it will be generating some power. If you take Ramco Industries in Hyderabad surroundings near Jawahar Nagar, they are implementing this power generation with the wastage material, garbage daily collected from JHMC. That is the thing we are getting in the business promotion in the form of power generation. And not only that, they are making some urea manufacturing also with that waste material management in a recycling process. Next level, advancement of existing products. Just now we discussed this, that the old Nokia to implementation of new product, that the mobile product with Android operating system, like that, or iOS operating system. What that resulting in business promotion? Medium investment, medium risk, and medium payoff. That is the thing. If you take the iPad to iOS mobile phone, iOS mobile phone will have little risk and little problems compared to iPad or any other very sophisticated peripheral. And third level is evolutionary products. What is this evolutionary products? For example, manufacturing of new rockets or preparation of new technology, rocket science technology, or robotic process operation, implementation, operations. Means implementation of these robotics in day-to-day environment. These are all evolutionary products. They require large investment with a medium risk and large payoff. For example, ICICI Bank is implementing these robots in their day-to-day banking operations. With that, they minimize 10,000 employees. They have removed 10,000 employees in ICICI Bank. All they are using the help of these robots. Around 80-90 robots are doing that work. Like that in day-to-day environment. And fourth level is revolutionary products. They require large investment, high risk, and unlimited payoff. What are these revolutionary products? To take the nuclear bombs or nuclear products, which will have cause so much of destruction, and those are known as revolutionary products or atomic bombs. These are all relating to revolutionary products. These are all prepared with new innovations only. All these four levels of products in day-to-day environment. Next content is what are different types of innovation. In that one, first one is technical and administrative innovations. What are these technical and administrative innovations? For example, in the olden days, for accounting, they used to write the books with pen and paper. Now they are using the Tally software, Focus software, like that. They are all implementation of technical upgradation and administrative innovations in a practical scenario. And second time is product and process innovations. For example, in GHMC only. In olden days, they used it with manpower in collecting of garbage. Now they are using so much of new machines and new vehicles in collecting of garbage. That is relating to product and process innovation. And third one is incremental versus radical, means disruptive innovation. What is disruptive or radical innovation? In olden days, they used to make big vehicles in war, but now they are using small atomic bombs, which causes so much of a destruction, and that is relating to disruptive innovation. And next one is architectural versus modular innovation. For example, if you take same example of recently opened secretariat in Hyderabad, if you compare old building to new building, that is the change in the architecture. In the current building, they implemented the architecture of Dravidian and Aryan, like that Persian. Three integrated architecture they made. But olden building, common normal architecture building. That is the difference in architecture in construction industry. Particularly, practical example is Telangana Secretariat. In implementation of architectural design in construction industry. The next one is low-cost innovation. What is low-cost innovation? For example, if you observe in villages, what product, same product we purchase in cities, that will 10 times lesser they will be using with convenience material in villages. That is known as a low-cost innovation. One practical example relating to low-cost innovation. For example, if you take some antibiotic medicine, which costs around 18 rupees tablet, but in villages, they'll use some Ayurvedic medicine, which is coming from some food product material or some leaves, cost very 1 rupee, 2 rupees, and they will be settled down in that particular disease with the same effective results. That is related to low-cost innovation. In the same pharmaceutical industry, if you take some company product or if you take another product which is having 30 to 40% less price in medical cost, generic medicine, which we call it as, that is low-cost innovation in pharmaceutical industry. Means that is API product and generic product. That is the difference between the low-cost innovation, particularly in pharmaceutical industry. If you take aviation industry, if we travel in some Lufthansa or Arab Emirates, the charge will be very high. If you travel in Indigo, it is 5 times lesser into the charge. If we travel in Air India, it will be 7 times less. Like that, low cost in expenses of that traveling is concerned. We are all relating to innovation of idea to implement or to make cost minimization and making that traveling with some flexible and effective way to reach the destination. Like this, we are all relating to some of the innovative ideas, implementations only. Next one is reverse innovation. Not this reverse innovation. Sometimes happens in the pharmaceutical industry only. Some medicines given by doctor that makes reaction on the patient. Means that works adversely on the patient. Means the doctor will not give the correct medicine to the particular disease. That is related to reverse innovation. Particularly in drug manufacturing, the implement on rats. If the rats are giving good result, then they will implement on 5-10 members on human beings by taking undertaking, and that also got result correctly. Then they'll get USFDA approval Generally, they will implement in the market for marketing. That is the rule relating to pharmaceutical industry, that the medicines or drugs marketing. Sometimes causes this reverse effect, a reaction